In this talk, we are going to discuss about the in-depth discussion on standalone applications. What is means of standalone applications? A standalone application is a software program that runs independently on a computing device without requiring any additional software to function. It's self-contained and does not rely on a web browser or another application to operate. Standalone applications are installed and executed directly on a user system. Okay, let me explain about the characteristics of a standalone applications. First characteristics is independence. What it means? They operate without the need for a web browser or external dependencies. And the second characteristics is local execution. What it means? These applications are installed and run directly on a user's computer or device. And third one is self-contained. They typically include all the necessary libraries, resources, and configurations within the application package itself. And the fourth one is user interface. Standalone applications often have a graphical user interface, that is GUI, or a command line interface, that is CLI, for user interaction. And the fifth one is functionality. They can perform a wide range of tasks from simple utilities like calculators to complex software like video editors or games. Okay, let me explain about the examples of a standalone applications. Just for giving you these examples so that you can know what type of software which you are using right now, and that is a standalone application. First one is word processors like Microsoft Word, LibreOffice Writer, and in media players we are using VLC media players. That is a standalone application. Windows Media Player, which is also a standalone application. And for the image editors, they use Adobe Photoshop or GIMP. For games, we have seen the Minecraft, Solitaire. Okay, let me talk about the benefits of standalone applications. What type of benefit you will get if you are using the standalone applications? So first one, you will get a good performance. What is that? Performance. They can be optimized for a specific hardware and run faster. They can be optimized for a specific hardware and run faster since they don't rely on a network communication. Offline access. Second one is offline access. They can be used without an internet connection once installed in your computer. And the third benefit of using standalone application is enhanced security. They operate within the confines of the user system, reducing exposure to external vulnerabilities. And fourth benefit of that, full access to system resources. Standalone applications have access to the system's resources without browser limitations. And the fifth benefit is that customization. Developers have more control over the application's behavior and appearance. And why people consider to use standalone application? So for the consideration purpose, I'm just showing you why they like to use. So first is installation. Standalone applications require installations on the user's device, and the people who use that software, they will happy because they don't rely on a browser or internet connection. Just tap on that icon which is a particular software shows, that click on that and they can use without internet connection, and whatever work they want to do with, they can. Okay, and for the consideration for the second thing, what is there for the standalone application, that is updates need to be managed and applied by the users or through an update mechanism built into the application. It means that software requires time to time updation. Okay, so finally, what we got that standalone applications are optimized, and standalone applications are popular due to their versatility, ability to function independently, and their potential for delivering tailored user experiences on various computing platforms. Okay, learn Java and be happy.